Hey everyone, today we will see how you can turn off comments for a Facebook post. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook app. So I'm going to post something and demonstrate how you can do it. So let's create a new post and we will be typing something. Now at the top, right under your name, you can see a few options. So you have to tap where it says friends and then you have to select public from here. Now we can go ahead and post it. So once the post is posted, you have to tap the three dots on the top right and then select who can comment on your post. And from here, you have to select the last option. So it will only let the people you have mentioned comment on your post. And if you have mentioned no one, then only you will be able to comment on your post. So let's go ahead and click done. And that's how you turn off comments on a post on Facebook. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.